Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Language Review Corrections video for week 7, day 4. So for numbers 1 and 2, we're going to write the sentences correctly. Many countries among the world have folk dances. So the first error is countries. We need to spell it correctly. The correct spelling is C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. And instead of among, we want around. Many countries around the world, A-R-O-U-N-D. Many countries around the world have folk dances, and it's not a question, so we shouldn't have a question mark. It is a declarative sentence. It is a statement. So put a period here. So the sentence should read, capital M in many because it's the beginning of the sentence. Many countries around the world have folk dances. These are dances that are specific to each country's culture. Number 2, dances on Scotland, India, and Korea all look different. Instead of on, we need to say in, like in the country. So dances in Scotland, and we need a comma. We're listing 3 things in a row. Scotland, comma, India, comma, and now this is an extra comma. You do not need that one. And Korea all look different. Different is misspelled, even though it's kind of spelled like we say it. The correct way to spell it is D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. So I want you to think different when you say different. Do you see how it's like spelled the way we say it, but it's actually different. Okay, so now let's type the full sentence here. Capital D in dances because it's the beginning of a sentence. Dances in capital C in Scotland. It's a proper noun for the name of a country, comma, Scotland, comma. Capital I in India because also proper noun, the name of a country, India, comma, and no comma. And then Korea, which is also the proper name of a country. So it needs a capital K. All look different. Period at the end. Okay, this is correct. For number 3, we need to use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. Circle the correct word. Folk dances reflect the traditions and the history of the culture. Well, why don't I put each of these choices in the place of reflect to see which one makes best sense? Folk dances move the traditions and the history of the culture. That doesn't make sense. Folk dances shine the traditions and the history of the culture. Doesn't make sense to me. Hopefully the third one does. Folk dances show the traditions and the history of the culture. Yay. So the correct answer is C, show. Okay, number 4, write the missing word. Many folk dances have simple steps that anyone do. I'm going to use the same technique. Many folk dances have simple steps that anyone can do. Oh, I like that one, but we should read the other 2 just in case one of the other ones sounds better. Many folk dances have simple steps that anyone will do. Many folk dances have simple steps that anyone should do. The best answer is can. Hopefully you chose that one. Okay, excellent work. That brings us to the end of our corrections video for week 7, day 4. I will see you the next time. Bye for now.